So the first thing to keep in mind is vertical lines have the general form x equals. Horizontal lines have the general form y equals. So know that going in. Again, that is part of what you need to be familiar with. That's probably the most common mistake, is to not realize which is which, or just to rush through it. So when you look at the first problem, these are the two different ways that you might be asked the vertical and horizontal lines. Okay, one is they just give you a set of coordinates. Okay, if they give you a set of coordinates and ask for the vertical or horizontal line, find which coordinate is repeated. Okay, so in this case we have -6, and that's for which coordinate, the x or the y? It's the x, so your equation is x equals that number, -6. Okay, now the other form that you might get is you might be given a single point, okay, and given the single point, it'll specifically say find the vertical line or the horizontal line. Okay, so in this particular problem here, you want horizontal line. So horizontal represents which value never changing, the x coordinate or the y coordinate. Horizontal is y. And so if we say y is always equal to, and we check the y coordinate, which in this problem is -2. Okay, now I had mentioned this could go either way. Okay, they could have given you, let's say, the following. They could have said, what's the equation of a line passing through -6, -2, and 5, -2? If they gave you this version of it, what would your equation be? The coordinate that never changes is y, and it's always equal to -2. So that would be that version. And then here, if they ask you for the vertical line passing through this given point, then your vertical line is given by the equation form x equals, and what would that pass through? -9. So those would be the two possible variations that you could see for this type of a question.